Hello and thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy, and in today's video we are around the house, and right now I'm being quite lazy, but I'm going to get up and I'm going to be decorating in my loft area. I shared in a previous video that I'm working on a project, kind of start to redo this whole space, and I shared a piece of artwork that I have in this space, and today I've got something new that I'm going to be sharing with you, which I'm really excited about. We're also going to be making a quick run out. I'll tell you about that one too. But if you'd like to see how this next phase of this decorating video goes for this loft makeover, keep watching. But first, let me share this item here with you that I just got in from Morning Blues. Morning Blues is a company that transforms music into a visual and spatial experience. I'm going to be sharing that in a minute so you see exactly what I'm talking about. But basically, they use sound, light, and form, and they create audio products that live as art in our homes. And I love that. This thing is going to be such a focal point for this room that I'm making over. So this company sells all types of speakers. They sell headphones, they sell portraits that have speakers in them. They have all kinds of things, and they partner with me on this portion of today's video to share an unboxing of the item that I selected, which is this speaker. It looks like a giant record. I love the aesthetics of it. It is so cool. So let me go ahead, unbox it, and get it set up so that you can see all of the things that this can do. Assembly of this piece was super easy. It came with some legs on here to put on, and this is a cover because the cord, the power cord, kind of fits into one of the legs so that you don't have to worry about dangling cords. They have thought of everything to create the most aesthetically pleasing situation for this piece, and I love that. So everything is here. Here's the power cord that we need, and we'll just feed that through the leg of one of the speakers so that it won't be visible. And after that, it's only a matter of screwing each leg into the speaker base, and then you're basically all set. There is an app that you set up so that you can use this. It is a smart speaker, of course. So here I am. I've got the legs on here, and I am about to power this on and get it synced up with the app. And once you plug it in, it actually walks you through all the steps to get it synced up. So setup is extremely easy for this, and I love that as well because I don't like difficult things that I have to go through too much. So I've got it set up. It's already synced with the app, and we're going to get ready to hear what this thing sounds like. And I'm starting off with one of my favorite groups of all times, Earth, Wind, and Fire. And you can see that the lyrics are playing here on the screen. I love that. It's visually pleasing. It's got the cover, the album cover. If you're familiar with Earth, Wind, and Fire, back in the day, this would have been back in the 70s. And yeah, I'm loving this so far, and it sounds great. I have been playing all of my old favorites. I was so excited about this one. When I tell you the sound is really good, like I can hear this perfectly because I have it upstairs. When I'm downstairs in my home, I can hear it, and it sounds really good. My son came over the other day. He was like, "Ma, that music sounds good." I'm like, "Yeah, let me show you my new speaker." But yeah, this is really nice. So be sure you check in the description box below, and I'm going to share all the deets and discount codes for this speaker. It creates such a vibe up here. I love this. It's almost like a realistic vinyl playback, like the way that this is turning. It's just kind of like giving that whole vinyl experience, which I love. I love my vinyls too, but this is a wonderful way to be able to play all my music because I can use Spotify. I can stream my music through Pandora, whatever I want to listen to. I'm able to do that, and I love that. So I don't have to worry about my playlists and things. They're all there. Their audio technology is Danish. It's by a brand called Jamo, Jamo, but it sounds really good, very crisp and everything, and I love that. And I really love the fact that it shows the lyrics because, honey, some of these songs, I remember the lyrics, and some of them I don't, so it helps me out, and I'm actually finding out some lyrics to some songs that I thought was saying something different. So a special thanks to Morning Blues for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Be sure to check them out. Check out everything in the description box. Prime Day is coming up, so be sure to check out to see what additional deals you may find in addition to my discount code. You never know. Check it out. So yeah, let's get on with the decorating. All right, so I am really enjoying this. Ever since I have had it on, I have just been rocking out to all my music. I can listen to my Bible app through the speaker. I mean, it's amazing. I really like that. So now I'm placing it right here by this TV, so right by here. And this is a space that I'm thinking about putting something here, like a lamp or something like that. So I was in Home Goods today, and they had a green lamp, which it just happened that they had it, and I thought about it. It would pick up beautifully with the green that's in the artwork, but I don't do lamps of that color and things. I think I would get tired of it too quickly. So I really am envisioning more like just a basic black floor lamp or something like that. And I've got one over here, as I'm saying this, that I'm gonna move over here and see how it'll look over here. It's just a black floor lamp. It's got some brass in it. It's a thrifted piece too. I've had it for years. But let's see how that's gonna look. See, that's what this is looking like. So if I just set it here, and this is adjustable. So let's move this some kind of way it moves up. I gotta figure that out. Oh. This is a thrifted lamp that I've had for a long time. I don't know that I've ever tried to adjust it because I really don't know what I'm doing here. But anyway, we're just trying it out. This is how the lamp looks. I'll have to get it, get a different one because I'm not really feeling the way that this one looks. But I do like the idea of a black floor lamp here. I think it'll just look nice here, and it kind of balance it off because I have the plant on the one side and yeah, the art piece there. So we'll figure out something there, but this is not it. I just wanted to try it because I already had it. Yeah. So let's continue on with the other decor. Now, this is the part of the video that I'm doing some planning of what I want this space to look like. And I'm going to take this opportunity to really change things up a lot. So one of the things that I want to do is definitely get rid of that TV stand. It's just not working here in this space anymore. So I want to get rid of that. I want to get something a little bit more modern. And I want to mount the TV. I also want to move the arch cabinet from the other side and replace that with something else. This is kind of what I'm envisioning. I'd like to paint that wall behind the TV black. I'd like to get a larger TV and have it mounted to the wall. I'd like to get a more modern credenza in black, and I'm going to move the arch cabinet and put another credenza there with an oversized piece of art over it. I think that will be so nice. Now, I haven't decided yet what color I would do with the additional oversized art over the new credenza or whatever. I haven't figured any of that out, but this is kind of the look that I'm envisioning for this space. But in the meantime, this is what I am faced with. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this credenza that I have and until I can find something else. So let's get started on that. And I am not really concerned with what I'm putting in here because in my mind, this is very temporary. I have made up in my mind how I want this space to look, and I can't achieve that look with this piece. I don't know how I'm going to handle this piece. It's a great piece. It's solid wood. It's in decent condition, but it's really heavy and it has to go downstairs. And I don't trust just anybody coming in to move it. So I probably would not sell it on Facebook Marketplace. I'd rather have professional movers to get this out because I don't want my walls messed up. So we'll figure all that out later. So early in the video, I mentioned that we were going to make a little run here. So now is the point that we're going to be doing that. So let's go ahead and get in the car and head on over to our next spot. I am on my way today to the Goodwill, and this is the next day after my last $20 challenge video where I saw that black marble lamp. Well, I went home. And last night I did a lot of research as to what I might do to be able to fix that lamp. And so I'm going back to see if it's there. And you know how it goes. When you're thrifting, if you see it, you better get it right there and figure it out later. It was $9.99 and I don't know why I didn't do it, guys. I don't know. But anyway, we're on our way back. Let's see if it's still there. If it's not, another lesson learned. Okay, I'm back in here. Look. I'm going to get it. Okay, I had to do a voiceover because I didn't want a copyright strike. But what I was saying here is that under the bottom, it had a tag for $7.99. The other tag said $9.99. So I was able to get it for the $7.99. So that was really good. Don't know yet if I'm going to be able to fix it, but I got it. This is a piece of art here that they did not have in yesterday, or at least I did not see it yesterday. It was very colorful and it just caught my attention, so I just had to get a closer look at that. But let's go ahead and get on out of here because I found what I came in here for. Today was not a day for shopping, but I am looking around to see if I miss anything. Mostly I'm just seeing things that I saw yesterday, but I just wanted to check. So we're back at the house, and I've got this shelf also up here in this loft area. And what I'm thinking is that I will get rid of this piece, move the arch cabinet over here, at which time I get the new credenzas. There's no timeline, by the way, for all of this. These are plans and dreams at this point. But this is ultimately the way that I want this space to look like. So over the next few months, or so, I'll be working on this and giving updates along the way. So this will be moved. It'll be over here near my table. And I think that that is going to look really nice. All right, so that's the plan for this space here. I will probably just go ahead and put the decor back on this shelf or whatever until which time all this comes to pass, because who knows how long that might take. So we'll do that, and we'll decorate this table, and then we'll end today's video. And by decorate, I don't mean a whole lot. I'm just going to put this out. This is a thrifted piece too. It's like a 3 candle holder thingamajiggy. And I'm just going to set that there. And I've got some more candle holders that were, they were thrifted, and then I did a little upcycle on them. I think I'm going to put those on there as well. Let me grab those. When I got these candles here, they were like a black or gray color, and I wanted them to look like marble candles. So I got some of that marbling paint and painted them, and then painted the rims of them gold. And I really like the way that they turned out. I've had them for years now. I did this a long time ago, but I still love these, and I bring them out often. But I'm not doing anything in this space like adding candles. I was just putting something on the table just so that it's not bare. And then the same for this shelf. I'm just moving decor pieces around from other places of my home. This book I recently had on my fireplace credenza in my living room, and I moved that, and so here's its new home, at least temporarily. I don't know why this Christmas bulb is down here, but we're going to go ahead and move that, put this little tray out here, and now I need to figure out this top shelf. And I've got some heavy pieces here that I think I'm going to put on here, and I need to balance it out because this piece is not real stable. It will be, get what do you call it, top heavy or whatever. So I have to be careful that I'm being, balancing things out nicely or whatever. So gotta do that. Why did I put that up there backwards with the tag still on it? But anyway, we'll fix that. All right, so we'll turn this around so that it is more presentable, because it's hard to get those tags off. I need to try to figure out a way to do that. But in the meantime, we got it taken care of, at least temporarily. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't leave today without giving me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave today? Also, if you hit that post notification bell, you'll be notified each time I upload additional videos. That way you can stick around and kind of see this whole project come to life. And to all my returning family members, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that I see you all over here on the next one. Now, don't forget to check the description box below to get the information on Morning Blues and all the nice products that they offer. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye-bye.